family meals. This recipe is designed to be simple enough for beginners, but tasty enough for experienced cooks. With a balance of flavors, it's sure to be a hit at your next family gathering. Imagine a meal that brings everyone together around the grill. The smoky aroma, the sound of sizzling chicken, and the laughter of loved ones. This recipe captures all of that. It's not just about food, it's about creating memories. American-style grilled chicken is versatile. You can have it for lunch, dinner, or even a weekend barbecue. It's always a crowd pleaser. The best part? You'll find that it pairs well with a variety of sides like corn on the cob, potato salad, or grilled vegetables. So, are you ready to embark on this culinary journey? Let's dive into the ingredients and steps to create this delicious dish. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned chef, this recipe is sure to become a family favorite. Before we start cooking, let's gather the essential ingredients. For this recipe, simplicity is key. You'll need fresh chicken, preferably bone-in pieces for more flavor. Opt for organic if possible. Here's a basic list. 4 chicken breasts, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. These ingredients form the foundation of our marinade. If you're adventurous, consider adding optional spices. A pinch of cayenne pepper for heat or a dash of thyme for earthiness can elevate the dish. Don't forget fresh herbs like rosemary or parsley for garnish. Having these ingredients ready will make the cooking process smooth. Double-check your pantry before you begin, ensuring nothing is missing. This preparation step is crucial for a stress-free cooking experience. Now that we have our ingredients, it's time to prepare the chicken. Make sure you have all the necessary tools like a grill, tongs, and a meat thermometer to ensure everything goes off without a hitch. Let's start with the chicken. Rinse each piece under cold water, then pat dry with paper towels. This step helps remove any excess moisture, ensuring a nice sear on the grill. Once the chicken is dry, you may want to trim any excess fat or skin. This is optional but recommended for a leaner meal. Use a sharp knife for precision and safety. Next, score the chicken breasts lightly. Make shallow cuts across the surface. This technique allows the marinade to penetrate deeper, enhancing the flavor. Be careful not to cut too deep, just enough to create small grooves. Arrange the prepared chicken pieces on a tray. Ensure they're not touching each other. This will help when it's time to apply the marinade. With everything in place, you're ready to move on to crafting the marinade. Creating a delicious marinade is the key to mouth-watering grilled chicken. Start by grabbing a mixing bowl. Combine olive oil and lemon juice first. This creates a base that keeps the chicken moist while adding a hint of zest. Add the minced garlic next. Garlic not only adds flavor, but also has health benefits. Follow this with the paprika. This spice gives the chicken its characteristic color and a subtle smoky flavor. Mix in the salt and black pepper. These seasonings bring out the natural flavors of the chicken. If you've chosen to use optional spices, add them now. Stir the mixture until all ingredients are well combined. Let the marinade rest for a few minutes. This allows the flavors to meld together. While waiting, prepare a brush or spoon for applying the marinade. You're now ready to coat the chicken, which is an essential step for flavor infusion. Section 5. Marinating the chicken. With the marinade ready, it's time to coat the chicken. Use a brush or spoon to apply the marinade generously over each piece. Ensure every surface is covered for maximum flavor. Place the chicken in a resealable bag or a shallow dish. Pour any remaining marinade over the chicken. Seal the bag or cover the dish with plastic wrap, ensuring it's airtight. Refrigerate the marinated chicken for at least 30 minutes. For deeper flavor, marinate for up to 4 hours. This resting period allows the spices to work their magic, infusing the chicken with robust flavors. While the chicken marinates, prepare your grill. Clean the grates and preheat it to a medium setting. This ensures even cooking and prevents the chicken from sticking. You're now one step closer to enjoying a delightful meal. Section 6. Grilling to perfection. Grilling is where the magic happens. Once your grill is preheated, use tongs to place the marinated chicken on the grates. Arrange them evenly to ensure uniform cooking. Close the lid to maintain heat. Cook the chicken on medium heat. This setting prevents the outside from burning while the inside cooks through. Turn the chicken every 5 to 7 minutes using the tongs. This ensures each side has a nice char and even cooking. Keep a close eye on flare-ups. If the flames rise, move the chicken to a cooler spot on the grill. This prevents the chicken from charring too quickly and maintains its juicy texture. After about 20 minutes, the chicken should be almost done. It's essential to check for doneness before serving. Let's explore the techniques to ensure your chicken is perfectly cooked in the next section. Section 7. Checking for doneness. Ensuring your chicken is fully cooked is crucial. The simplest way to check is by using a meat thermometer. Insert it into the thickest part of the chicken. The internal temperature should read 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 75 degrees Celsius. If you don't have a thermometer, cut into the thickest part of the chicken. The juices should run clear, and the meat should be white, not pink. These indicators show the chicken is safe to eat. Avoid overcooking. It leads to dry, tough chicken. Continue cooking in short bursts, and check frequently if it's not done. Remember, the chicken will continue to cook slightly after being removed from the grill. Once the chicken reaches the desired temperature, remove it from the grill. Let it rest on a clean plate. Resting allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring each bite is tender and flavorful. Section 8. Resting and serving. Resting the chicken is essential. Allow it to sit for at least 5 minutes. This resting period locks in the juices, making the chicken more flavorful and tender. While the chicken rests, prepare your serving platter. Arrange some fresh herbs or lemon wedges for a vibrant presentation. Consider pairing the chicken with your favorite side dishes for a complete meal. When ready, slice the chicken breasts against the grain. This technique ensures each piece is tender and easy to chew. Arrange the slices beautifully on the platter, ready for serving. Invite your family to the table. Serve the chicken warm, enjoying the delicious flavors together. Remember, meals like these are about more than just food. They're about cherishing moments with loved ones. Section 9. Conclusion. A dish to share. Congratulations! You've created a delightful American-style grilled chicken dish. It's perfect for sharing with family and friends. This recipe highlights how simple ingredients and careful preparation lead to a flavorful meal. Encourage everyone to try their hand at grilling. It's a fun and rewarding experience. Share your cooking stories and tips with others. Who knows, you might inspire someone to become a grilling enthusiast. Don't hesitate to experiment with spices and sides. Every time you make this dish, it can be a new adventure in taste. Remember, cooking is an art, and you are the artist. Enjoy the smiles and satisfaction this dish brings to your loved ones. Thank you for joining me in this culinary adventure. I look forward to hearing about your experiences and variations of this recipe. Happy grilling!